How to save your iPhone battery and make the charge last longer. Mobile phones are essential items in today's world. From keeping in touch with our contacts, the rest of the outside world, and work, we all need our phones. One of the most frustrating things ever is having a flat battery when you need it the most. Back in the days of the Nokia 3310s and the likes, a single charge could take us through an entire week. However, with increasing phone functionalities, the length of a charge often suffers. Firstly, to know if your iPhone battery is operating at optimum capability, go to Settings and then Battery, go to Battery Health and check the percentage. A very low percentage will mean you have to change the battery. Here are some ways you could prolong your charge. 1. Update your iOS to the latest version. This will help maximize the phone's processes for optimum battery performance. 2. Turn on low power mode to reduce battery consumption. 3. Slow down on your screen time. 4. Reduce your screen brightness if you have to use your phone, and that will reduce battery consumption. 5. Turn off your location services as it uses the battery even when you aren't touching your phone. 6. Turn off your data when not in use. 7. Put your iPhone on airplane mode if its battery is very low and you still have use for it without wanting to switch the phone off. Do you have other tricks you use? Please share them with us. You can also give feedback on how these tricks helped you. Thank you for watching.